So let's put them in that big oven down there, Layla. And I'm so excited for you to show me your beef stew recipe. Can I be chopping any of this for you?
Chop all that up. Some celery, some green onion, and a whole red pepper.
Okay.
And chop it into, nice bite sizes.
Okay. And what kind of meat are you using, Layla?
I'm gonna use beef.
And that's just a chuck roast, y'all.
And I'm gonna chop this yellow onion, this pepper, and 6 cloves of garlic.
Okay.
And put it all in.
And I'll help you with that if you need some help.
Okay. Thank you.
We got our pot getting hot.
Yes. Put a little bit of oil in here, about a tablespoon. Okay,
Layla, you want me to do the poblano
or
something?
Yeah, because I'm gonna go ahead and get this garlic started.
So this is gonna have a wee little bit of spice to it, right?
It is.
And speaking of spicy, Layla, I used to love watching you spice things up on Dancing with the Stars. What was your favorite dance that you did, Layla?
The rumba.
Can you teach me the rumba?
Well, I can teach you some basic steps. So the first thing you need to learn is just how to move your hips.
Look at those hips.
You can do it. Look at you.
No, mine don't look good doing it.
No, you do look good.
Your hips just naturally swivel. Mine don't naturally swivel.
You're doing a good job.
All right, this meat is looking and smelling good. Now, when are you ready to throw all this in?
We can go ahead and throw it in now.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead and give that a stir.
Oh,
we're gonna just let that.
I don't mean to take over your pot.
No, it's okay. You can take over my pot anytime.
It's just so pretty,
isn't it?
I love your choice of veggies in there. The colors are just beautiful.
I'm gonna put in 4 cups of beef broth.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna put in some cumin. I'm gonna put in some chili powder and some red pepper.
Okay, well let's do it, girl.
Okay.
You know, Layla, I can tell, honey, you and I have a lot in common. You know, I love feeding people. I love it. I love that immediate gratification that you give me after I've pleased you. So I popped them in the microwave.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna get them out and you get started
with
your grits.
Okay, I'm gonna make these grits. Now, I love these grits to go with that stew. And I try to make them as tasty, but a lighter version. You know, I'm gonna use some fat-free half and half.
Okay.
You know, I'm not gonna use too much butter.
Yeah, I mean, you know, how do you lighten up a grit?
Well, I think it's what we add to it. My thing is keep the flavor, but cut out as much fat as possible. Why not save a little fat and calories if you can?
And you know what, Layla? I have found that if you make enough small changes, they can make big differences.
I've been trying to say that for a long time, and I'm glad that you're doing that because, trust me, I'm not missing any meals, and I'm not missing any flavor.
Ooh, you're putting onions in your grits.
I am putting onions in the grits just to add a little extra flavor.
I don't know that I've ever put an onion in a grit. You know, you never get too old to learn, and every day I get up, I learn something new. So, Layla, I'm gonna kind of let you catch up with your grits.
All right, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of oil.
So you're gonna saute those
I am going to saute them just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the chicken broth. Can you just turn that heat down or stir it or something? Come on, make yourself useful, girl.
Listen, if you don't watch me, I will slack on you. All you have to do is like bop me upside the head once and I'll so behave.
I need you around. I don't want to bop you now.
How much water did you put in?
We put in 3 cups of water.
Okay.
6 cups of chicken broth. I want them to be nice and tender.
Yes.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, you can wait for the water to boil or you could just go ahead and add these grits. It doesn't really matter.
Sometimes, if you want a creamier grit,
Tell me, 'cause I know
you
you're the
put
queen.
it in kind of cold water.
Oh, really? Okay, well then let's go.
Not boiling
because it breaks down more? Is that why?
Yeah, I guess. I don't know.
That happens with oatmeal as well.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So I'm gonna add 4 cups.
We gonna have enough grits for you and me.
We are. We're gonna feed a whole army with this recipe right here, okay?
Kind of like your brothers and sisters.
Yeah.
How many is there of y'all?
There are 9 of us, and I'm the youngest girl. I'm gonna put a little salt in here, Paula.
Yes, these require lots of salt.
A little pepper.
Yes. You know, the secret to good grits, Layla.
Tell me the secrets, girl.
The secret is salt and stirring. If you don't salt grits right off, it would take that whole box of salt to get them salty enough.
Is that what it is?
Yeah,
Really?
and why, I don't know. And I love you putting those onions in there.
Oh, it's gonna be good.
Now, I'm so gonna do that.
It's gonna be
Now, you
good.
got some other stuff over there,
Yes,
too.
well, this is actually light butter.
Okay.
Yes, honey, light butter, Paula, and it's gonna be good. I know you probably like light butter, like, what's the point?
Let me taste
What's the
light
point? So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little in here just so
you can have twice as much.
Yes, I guess so, Paula. I mean, you're gonna defeat the purpose.
Come on, baby.
You're gonna have twice.
Come
I'm
on.
gonna put two.
Don't don't you do that to me. All right, now I'm gonna cut down those grits, okay?
Okay.
Because they are starting to ball.
Right.
So what do we have to do to finish up your grits?
I am going to add...
Ooh, they're getting really, really thick, aren't they?
I'm gonna add 2 cups of my fat-free half and half.
Okay.
I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm gonna let them cook for about 20 more minutes.
As long as you can, right?
Yep, let them...
Honey, I think you need some more cream.
You think so? Okay, well, I'm going to put it in. I'm going to argue with you.
Yeah,
Of course you think I need some more cream. See, look at that. See, I was trying to take it easy. You got me in the trap. But I will give you more cream, Paula, whatever you want, because it's your kitchen.
Look at that. And I've made some Brussels sprouts and cloverleaf rolls. All right, can I help you with that, Layla?
You know
How much
what?
of that do you have to have?
I have 2 cups of cheddar and a cup of jack.
Okay.
And you know, you can use any type of cheese you want. I happen to like cheddar. Put a little jack in there. Just
and you're just gonna mix that in there?
Yeah, I'm just go ahead and put it in. This is the final touch.
You want me to stir it in?
Yes, please do.
Okay.
Is that enough cheese for you, honey?
Nope.
Well, too bad.
That's all I get.
You were supposed to say yes, Paula.
Layla, that looks so good.
This is my cheat day, because I have a cheat day once a week where I can eat what I want.
You know what?
So.
I have a cheat day, too. I tell everybody, if you try to eat healthy every day of your life, you will lose your mind.
Yes, you will. Let's go ahead and put some grits in this bowl, and we'll put some beef on top. You know how to do it. Go on, put some beef on top of your grits.
Cheers.
Cheers, Miss Paula.
Thank you for being with me.
Tastes good, if I might say so myself. That do good? I'm still the champ, see?
Champion!
Dun, 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 dun.